Hello guys, we're here at Nua Hotel. Let's try their spa. Miss Dato.
Miss?
Dato.
For you, ma'am, I will ask someone to assist you inside.
Thank you so much. So kapag naka-check-in kayo sa hotel, pwede nyo gamitin yung spa for free. Hello. Yeah.
Do you need a locker?
Actually, only for the... so, how to?
C, 4 number, and then lock sign. We have dried fruits and fresh fruits,
Alright.
and also the lemon juice.
Okay.
Then here, ma'am, we can use the vitality pool. That's warm. Then we have toilet, the sauna, dry sauna, and this one is the wet steam.
Yeah.
And if you want cold towels, we have here. And also we have and the shower room.
Okay.
All the towels here. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
At yun nga guys, yung staff na ang nag-tour sa atin for our vlog. So, start na tayo. Kuha tayo ng wet towel pang cover sa face kasi sobrang init and pang scrub. Dito muna tayo sa aking favorite, ang steam room. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa sauna kasi dry siya tapos sobrang mainit. Mas gusto ko yung medyo wet para na i-scrub ko yung mga dead skin. Ito yung vitality pool pero hindi natin gagamitin. And we're here at the lounge. Water break muna tayo. And mag-snack tayo ng fruits or dried fruits. Inom tayo. So, pwede ka magpahinga dito, maupo, and magmuni-muni and enjoy yung view sa labas. After mag-spa and shower, pwede nyo gamitin lahat ng nandito for free. Yung hair dryer at yung toiletries. That's all for today, guys. See you on my next vlog. Mwah!